Alright, time for some eBay crap videos. Big box. Ugh. Alright, what do we got? Ooh, one of those. That's it. Looks like a kicker pedal. Yep, kicker pedal. The old kicker pedal. Wow. It's missing some parts. It's a really old kicker pedal. Yeah, looks like it's missing some key components. These feel like wood. Yeah, they're rubber though. See the lines on them? It's petrified rubber, so it's like wood. Yeah, that's some old rubber. And it does not have nuts on this side like this side here. So that makes it really old, because I think that goes back to 32, 34, maybe 29, something like that. That's when they had the double-ended stud. I'd have to go look that up, because that's before my time. I go back to mid-30s, early 30s, but not much before then. So I'm guessing this is probably pretty far. It's going to be probably either before 29 or before like 32. Not exactly sure. I know kicker pedals go back to like 12 or 14. They go back pretty far. So that's not 2012, it's 1912. Don't forget. This thing could be almost 100 years old. It might be 100 years old. Being 26, it's pretty close. So, anyway, it's missing a nut in the washer, whatever keeps it from sliding off. But other than that, it is a workable pedal. For an unrestored bike, it's just fine. But, alright, well, it's different. That's why I bought it. It's different. You don't know what this stuff is until you buy it. See, the early ones have a square shaft on them. This one's a round shaft. So these are free to rotate. So these are kind of weird. This should go down further too, you would think. See, it doesn't go in this direction. I'm not sure if it's supposed to. It's definitely a hard stop. It's a hard stop on this side too. It's just a tube. I'm going to guess it's probably burred up. It's definitely not going to go in. So you don't know what to do, you got to be careful. You might actually break something. So, okay, this is 520, 530 down here. And the pedal is 497. 497, and then it takes a 3/8 nut. Down to this side here. 462, 467. So this is not half-inch hole. This side is. 491. So this is definitely made smaller. Damn, that hurts. This side is definitely made smaller. This is not made to go through there. It's made to go through that side. What the hell is going to support it though? That doesn't make sense. See, the nut would have to have a sleeve on it. Yeah, see, that shaft isn't long enough to go all the way through anyway, see? It's not made to go all the way through. So that means this nut is going to have a tube sleeve on it that goes across that supports the end of this pedal so it doesn't eat up the shaft, because otherwise it'd be eating up the end of the shaft here, which obviously it's not. So it's not there. And the nut probably bottoms out on the shoulder when you tighten it, which sets your end play for overall height. So that's going to be a precision height nut and all that. So that's got to be made, because obviously it ain't here. So I'll have to go back in my old 26 to 39 book, parts book, and see what the hell the year this really is. And if it's not in that book, I'm going to have to go back into my, I think it's like a 14 to 26 book or something like that. Go even older. Some really old books. But obviously this thing's pretty old, so like I said, it's going to be minimum early 30s. I'm not a bit surprised that this is going to go back into the teens and mid-20s, I bet. So it's definitely different. I've never seen one before, but I don't work on this old crap. I only go back to 1930. I don't go before that. This is the kind of crap that they read before 30. And that's 1930, because we're not to 2030 yet. That's in a few more years yet. We're getting close. Alright, so all my bikes going to be 100 years old pretty soon. Another decade, they will be 100 years old. Alright, there you go. So this is, I'm guessing, the 20th pedal. So that's going to make a JD type stuff. Maybe your early single, something like that. Something old. Definitely old stuff. Alright, that's it for now.